guys, Marian here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to light Shabbat candles. So these are Shabbat candles, and in a Jewish home, we light them every Friday night to welcome in the Sabbath. And I want to show you guys how to do it. So all you need is 2 candles. Some people use more. Some people have for as many children as they have, and there's many other Jewish customs around the world. But all you need is 2. Once you light them, you're going to let them burn all the way out. So you want to make sure that they are in a safe place where if maybe you go to another room or something like that, that they'll be safe. And I wanted to start this video and share that you really can't do it wrong. As much as I'm going to share with you the customs and traditions of lighting the Sabbath candles, I just want to let you know that if you do it with good intention in your heart to bring in the Shabbat, then you're doing it right. You're only doing it wrong if they burn down your house, if you know what I mean. Okay, so let's get started. So we've got our 2 candles, and then you're gonna need some matches. And I like to use these Shabbat matches just because they're a little bit longer, so you don't have to worry about, burning your fingers or anything. So this is how you're gonna do it. Light your match, and then you're gonna light your first candle, just like this. And then you're gonna light your second candle. You wanna make sure to use the match both times. Don't use one candle to light the other. And then some people will shake out the match. I actually blow it, but some families it's traditional to just shake it out. And while you're lighting the candles, you're gonna not be talking. So everyone who's there should be quiet, and you should be quiet as you're doing this, and just have some intention and thoughtfulness as you go about it. So once you've lit the candles, you're going to take your hands and go like this 3 times over the candles. 1, 2, 3, again, before speaking, and then cover your eyes. And with your eyes covered, both by your hands, and you can close them if you want, you're gonna recite the blessing over the Shabbat candles. So it's gonna look like this. Barukh atah Adonai Eloheinu melekh haolam asher kiddushanu b'mitzvotav v'tzivanu lahadlik ner shel Shabbat. And that's it, you're done. That's the whole process. Light the candles, say the blessings, cover your eyes as you're saying the blessings, and don't speak until you've said the blessing. Another tradition you might see is people singing the blessing, so I will sing it for you, and I'm also going to link a page where you can see it written out in Hebrew and English and in Hebrew transliteration, so you can follow along. The melody that we use that is customary in many Ashkenazi homes goes like this. Barukh atah Adonai Eloheinu melekh haolam asher kiddushanu b'mitzvotav v'tzivanu lahadlik ner shel Shabbat. So you might hear it sung or spoken. Either one is fine. And the translation of that blessing is, praised are you, Lord our God, King of the universe, who has sanctified us with his commandments and commanded us to light the Sabbath candles. And there are other blessings that come after lighting the Shabbat candles, like blessing the children, the Kiddush wine, and the challah, and those are all part of the Shabbat experience. So let me know if you guys want more how-to videos on how to do that. I also share lots of Shabbat vlogs with me and my family, so you'll see us doing it. There's so many beautiful spiritual significances of lighting candles and bringing light into your home, but I just want to share one before I let you go, and that is that the light of God is within us all, and that when we light the Sabbath candles, we're reminded of that, and we literally and physically bring it into our home before our eyes, and we literally and physically bring it into our homes. We see it before our eyes, and it just reminds us of that goodness and sweetness that lives within us all. So I'm wishing you a Shabbat Shalom. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, hit that red subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!